In this video, I'll show you how to change account location on Roblox. So firstly, open up Roblox app on your mobile device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the 3 horizontal dots. This will direct you to the More section. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings space, find and tap on Account Info. Scroll down a bit until you find the Account Location option located just below the Gender tab. Tap on Account Location. A menu will appear with a drop-down list of countries. Search for and select your desired country from the list. For example, if you want to change it to the United States, select it from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind that you can only change your location once on Roblox, so choose wisely. If you are sure about changing your location, tap on Set Location and boom, you have successfully changed your location on Roblox account. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel.